Hi there, it's Jodi. Welcome to episode 21 of Tuesday Tips. Today we're going to be talking about adhesive sheets, what they are and when you'd want to use them. So quick recap, this is my Waves of the Ocean card kit for March 2022. For the last couple of weeks, I've been focusing on some different techniques with my Tuesday Tips. A couple of weeks ago, I showed you how to get both Coastal Cabana and Pacific Point on the same image by doing a little sponging. Then I talked to you about using just the part, let's pull this back in, just this part of the wave. I kind of turned the stamp around, stamped it upside down just to get this, and then masked off to get that sunlight in the background. Today I want to talk to you about adhesive sheets because adhesive sheets were very handy in making these two cards. And so let's talk about what they are. You can find them if you have our annual catalog on page 167. You can also find them on my in my online store. And they are adhesive sheets. You get 12 sheets that are 6 inches by 12 inches. So you can see I've got some scraps in here too, but they're 6 inches by 12 inches and you get 12 of them. So what I like to do is cut it down to a size that I need. So I've got a piece of 3 by 6 designer paper, and so I cut my adhesive sheet to 3 by 6 as well. So if I want this side to face up on my project, I'm going to go ahead and put that face down. And then with the adhesive sheet, you can see there's a crease in there, right? This is the side where you can actually peel it off. So you just find that, you gently peel back. Oh, I did it the wrong way. That's okay. This is the sticky side. I want the sticky side to go down, so I should have peeled off the other side. You get to the same place either way, but you obviously want the sticky side to go down. So if I peel back another, I'll do them each section and just kind of butt it up to the previous one. Rub that in. Sometimes you get a little extra on your hand. You just ball it up. It's all good. And then the last piece goes right on the end here. Okay, so I just rub those in, make sure that they're securely on there. And then I'm going to take my platform cutting pad. I will put my designer paper face up again and set my die right on top. Second cutting pad, I'm gonna go ahead and crank this through off camera with my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. And then I'll show you how handy it is to use that adhesive sheet. So this is what we've got, and I can just lift this off, peel off the extras so you can see, you know, all the little parts that are the insides, which I guess you could be super creative and find some project to do with all of that as well. I just kind of poke out those extra spots. You could use a paper piercing tool or something for this as well, which maybe I should have grabbed to get this. Haha. Live videos, right? This is kind of, see all these nice little holes they have in the die? That's so you can take your little paper piercing or take a pick tool and just pop that right out, which of course I do not have handy for this live video. But let's see, I tried to find a spot where I could peel it off. I don't know if it's going to cooperate with me. I bend a little bit. It really, you know, when you have these detailed dies, it really is handy. There we go. Whew, to have that tool. Okay, so brush this aside. Very detailed, right? You can see that. Now, had I not put the adhesive sheet on the back, I could take this and I could take my fine tip glue pen or my liquid glue. I could apply that to the back and then attach it to the card, however I was doing that. What makes it really easy is that with this adhesive sheet, oops, let me get on camera here. I can peel this back take this outer covering off, and this right here, you can hear it. That's sticky. So essentially what I've done is I've created a sticker. So when I'm ready to then place this on my project, I would just peel all of this off. It would be sticky on the back, and I could very easily just set it, press it down firmly onto my project. So that is when I would use adhesive sheets. When it's a very detailed stamp, a bigger image like this, that it just makes it so much easier to add it to your project. Like I said, there's other liquid glues, fine tip glue that certainly are options, but this just decreases the mess a little bit and makes it a little bit easier to use these detailed stamps. So that is my tip for you today. I hope that you've enjoyed that. Adhesive sheets, you can find them in the catalog 167 or in my online store. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.